boys. Look, you're throwing it on the boys.
What are they doing, Emil?
Big.
What are they doing? Are you going down the slide?
I got you, boy.
Emil.
Yes, it's a medium party.
It's a what? You got what?
What'd you say?
I got
You gotta clean them out of your hands so your hands don't get cold, silly. Wipe them together. No, like this, you old goose. That's funny. Kiss. Rub your hands together, silly. Rub your hands together. Get off your hands, they don't get cold. Ooh, you old goose. Now you're good. Look. Look at you.
Look at Rolf eating snow.
Look at him, Emil.
He's eating the snow.
It's wrong, silly to the snow.
Alright.
It's wrong.
Look on the table. Look on the table. It spells Emil. Well, it did. It spelled Emil on there. What are you doing, silly?
And getting all this off, so we already had a party. They're ready.
Is it raining, Emil?
It's snowing! Yeah!
Look.
I can't.
Oh, look what Daddy has.
Hop on. Pull your ears down, girl. Pull your cap down, you goose. Oh, keep it warm.
You gotta sit down.
Scoot up. Scoot up a little bit. Pull yourself up. Pull your up. 1, 2. Ryan, it's raw. Relax. Mama, stand right there.
I can't.
Go to Mama. Slide to Mama. Here, get up.
Come on, Daddy, you're not pushing hard enough.
We'll go down the real hill.
Push her, Daddy.
On again.
I guarantee you do.
Yeah, you're having all the fun and Daddy's doing all the work.
All right, here, scoot up here. You need to scoot up and hold on here because it's easier for me to pull you there. Hold your hand right here.
Oh.
What in the world?
Wow.
What in the
That's
world?
silly.
Quick, quick.
The boys are protecting you.
Okay.
There you go, hold on tight. Oh,
Bye, Emil.
Alright, put your hands right here.
The boys.
Look at Mama. Look up here at Mama.
Let me push you.
Daddy, you get on there. Daddy, she wants you to get on here. She's gonna push you.
You know what?
She's gonna push you. Just sit right here. Let her push you right here. Tell Daddy, get on there.
Being goofy.